You know you're old when you're super excited to organize your garage. I have installed shelves in the garage, but I want like a bunch of storage bins on these shelves with everything like organized, like gardening tools, power tools, fasteners, and I'm so pumped about it. So I got these sterilite storage bins from Walmart, and then I got this Avery sticker thing. You can actually print off the labels, so I'm going to be labeling all the boxes with whatever I end up doing. I haven't made the labels yet until I start putting things in bins, and I can kind of see what will like need a label and what all goes in each bin. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just taking inventory of what I've got in the garage. I also have stuff like around the house that have just been sitting there. So I'm just taking everything and organizing it all in one place. So I know which bins I have. I've got fasteners, plumbing, all that kind of stuff. Okay, maybe you're like, how can you have this many fasteners? I don't know. Screws from a crib that we have never used. For the pickler triangle, like, you know, all the toys that you get, like just extra screws for everything. Original cabinet hardware that I switched out, just like it filled up quick. Has this ever happened to you? You're like, I need some tape. You go out and buy tape, and then you realize that you have tape at home. It was just hidden somewhere. So tape gets its own box. And like, I've just been keeping like gardening tools in the kitchen, random like wrenches, and you know, like just so into the garage you go. All of these things are like randomly in the kitchen or the basement or like in the kids' closets. Like, I just haven't had a nice place to put them. So finally they have like an actual spot in the garage, you know? So what's next? Taking off the sterilite stickers, and then this is the Avery white rectangle labels, 50 labels. So now I know like which boxes I have. Like, I have an electrical box, I have a power tool box. Like, I know what's in every single container. Now I can make labels for them on the Avery website using this template. One thing I need to get is sticker remover, because sitting here pulling very slowly so I don't get like, you know, the sticker remnants, the dreaded sticker remnants. I could just like use some chemicals and get it off. Also, just like relax with the stickers. That's also an option. Stupid sticker remnants. Dea, why don't you just face them the other way and then put the stickers on the blank side? Because this is gonna just drive me nuts. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, probably, but I need it gone before I put the new stickers on, okay? So I just designed these labels on the Avery website. You do not have to be extra and add like the designs, but I was kind of like, if I'm like making labels, I kind of want them to look pretty, you know? So I added like the blue stuff to them. And so this is what they look like in the garage, like super satisfying, you know? I'm very proud of myself. It's so unnecessary to do any of this, but like, I don't know. Isn't it just nice to have everything organized in the garage? So for the leftover bins, I'm just using them as laundry bins. So I wash the clothes and just throw them in each respective bin instead of like packing and folding. I mean, it just gets messed up anyways. So I find this works really well. So I started like organizing my garage like 2 weeks ago, and I just stopped because of the sticker labels things. It like took me forever to like print them. I don't have my own printer, so I had to go to my mom's and print it. But yeah, that was me organizing my garage and also my kids' closets a little bit. Like, I put some stuff away for them. Like, in case we have another kid, I have like basically the most important things from both of them in boxes for like 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18. Just like essentials, so that if I do have another kid, I can clothe them, you know what I mean? And then yeah, I used some bins for like Bucket and Valerie's laundry stuff. And before you go like, oh my god, you're so lazy for not packing your kids' clothes, like honestly, you guys, you have no idea. Like, I've been through it. I've done the packing or hanging of the clothes, and then they all just get messed up. Like, especially because my kids like to pick out what they want to wear, you know? Or they like to play in their clothes and then it just like ends up all wrinkled on the floor anyway. So this is definitely the easiest option. I just clean it and throw it in a bin and they can sift through it. And I just like, that way when they sift through it, I don't like go, oh my God, it's all unfolded and crazy again. Like, I just don't have the mental sanity for it. So there you go. Don't knock it till you try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.